in a generation where we don't know how to make that small talk. We don't know how to just include someone even if we don't know them. And some of you over here, you want to stay in your comfort zone a little too much, and you might be exclusive. So I would be careful of that.
Seeming really interested, how do you do that? Nodding. Yes. I heard you. Yeah.
Is it always easy to find something to do at recess? Or is it sometimes hard? It's okay to say sometimes. It really is.
It's very, very simple. Ask their name. They're not going to be upset with you. So say hi. Give a compliment or ask a question. Very simple ways